Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome once more to my YouTube channel. So I met all the monetization policies, all the monetization requirements, and I went to YouTube to have my channel. I submitted everything to YouTube, as everyone that is on YouTube will do, to have his channel, some sort of monetize. Why not get some little money out of it, out of what you like doing? And guess what? YouTube said nay. So what do we want to know? Well, I just want to drive you right through into it and tell you all the do's and don'ts when creating content from my experience. I've learned my lesson and now I have 1 month to redo it. So I'm going to drop this video today, and in the next 1 month from today, I'll do another video telling you which accepted my monetization. Trust me, let's go. So I reached all the monetization grounds, and this is what my dashboard looks like. So I went to my dashboard, to my earn, and I saw that I reached all the, as you all see, I reached all the monetization requirements. And as you can see on my channel, I have 3,521 subscribers out of 1,000 required by YouTube, and I have 4,415 public watch hours out of the normal 4,000 YouTube requires, and I have my 2-step verification done, and I follow all the community guidelines. So I applied, and YouTube gave me this message: your channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. So if you don't understand this, I had a discussion with YouTube. I hope I have a message here. I hope I have the message here. I discussed with Bob. I was really friendly and nice with them, hoping that maybe I get something better. Trust me, but it wasn't the case. So I had a chat first of all before we jump right into it. I no longer need help. So can I just see a previous chat? No way. Okay, no problem. So I went to YouTube and I asked them, so if you have your monetization turned down, please don't bother to just go to your channel, take off everything that you think that is not yours, and move on. Don't bother asking people questions. There's no way around it. There is no way around it, because in most of my reaction videos, and if you check my reaction videos, I could take a video of 2 minutes and I react to it for about 15-12 minutes, and I share it. It's like this video of 15 minutes. You will not imagine it's a 3-minute video that I made it to become a 15-minute video, but YouTube says I didn't share enough, I didn't change the whole essence of the content and everything, which is understandable because my channel has to do with reaction videos, shorts, because I'm interested in entertainment and in music. Entertainment as a whole, and I said, why not grow a channel? Of course, I am looking forward to dropping my own personal content, like for example this one, which I think I started this channel with this thing because I always like to share games, share tips, share a lot of things that could be helpful to people of my generation and beyond, or less, because while growing up I didn't have so many people to show me the way, and I felt like I should create a platform where people that know me, people that are around me could relate to it, people that what I'm saying. So I started creating a channel about 6 months ago, and I have a lot of content, a lot of views. My highest views about 660 something K, which is the Andy Debra video or short. Let me tell you what the problem was with it. So I contacted YouTube when I read the requirements, and this is what they said. These are the things, example of things that I can do and the things that I should not do, exactly on the screen. Examples of what is allowed to monetize: a funny or thoughtful revision of content that you didn't originally create, clips of other people's content as part of a critical review, a scene from a movie where you've rewritten the dialogue and changed the voiceover, replace of a sport tournament where you explain what a competitor did to succeed or fail, reaction videos where you comment on the original video, edited footage from other creators where you add a storyline or commentary. What you're not allowed to do is short videos that you compile from other social media websites, which I don't do on my channel, collections of songs from different artists, even if you have their permission, which I don't do, clips of moments from your favorite show edited together with little or no narrative, content uploaded many times by other creators, promotion of other people's content, even if you have their permission. So this is it. I basically just, like, as I was reading this right now, realized that I am allowed to monetize most of the things that are on my channel, because I felt like it's because I was reacting to people's video like DJ Academics, DJ Vlad, Say Cheese TV, and all these famous, all of this hip hop media. Sorry, I felt like it was okay for me, and which is actually, from what I read now, is quite right. So at the beginning of the video, I thought I was going to share you some tips, and now we are all learning together. So these are the options that I have. The first option is, if you think that we've made a mistake, send a video telling us why. We'll review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose this option if you haven't deleted any videos since the channel's application was rejected, which I haven't yet. Option 2, edit your channel and reapply. Review our feedback, then make changes to your channel. Changes can include editing or deleting videos, and updating video details. You can reapply within starting from 29 April 2023, as long as your channel meets the following requirements, which I've met all the requirements. Let me just take you through a review of my content. These are short. I don't know why YouTube doesn't, creators page, I don't know why YouTube doesn't give us the option to just see just videos, because here you can do anything. You must see everything on it. So that is basically what YouTube did to us. YouTube got our monetization declined. That was the first one. So we still have the option to reapply again. Well, let's hope that everything turns out well this time around. Let's hope. I hope so. I pray so. Because trust me, I can't wait to share y'all every content that I have in mind, everything that I've gathered in the course of my, social media or media generally. Everything I've gathered, my experience. I know you would want to hear this story. I know you'll be interested in it, and I look forward to sharing it to you. So if you've learned anything and everything I've said, please comment, share, like, and say everything you think. Insults are allowed. I'm very, very okay with that, because Bruce Lee said, be like water. When you are like water, you just fit in any situation that you find yourself in. That's why when I post certain things and I see people comment on it, and I'm like, this nigga's catching the feelings on what I just said. I don't even give a F about it. So my channel, like you see, unfortunately the channel wasn't approved for monetization, which is totally fine. It's not fine. But it's fine, we are tough niggas, and we don't act with feelings. Like I always tell you, please take everything on the internet with a grain of salt. It's my last advice I'm going to give to you. Please subscribe, share, and comment to my channel. Thank you. Bye.